Hey everyone, welcome back to DreamsCar USA. Today I've got something truly special, something that blends luxury, performance, exclusivity, and pure road presence in a way only BMW knows how. In front of me is the BMW M8 Gran Coupe First Edition in a stunning black color. A machine that turns every street into a runway and every moment behind the wheel into a performance show. This isn't just another BMW. It's a limited production masterpiece designed for the few who want a car that screams power and elegance at the same time. The first thing that hits you is the exterior. Finished in a deep, glossy black, the M8 Gran Coupe First Edition looks aggressive, mysterious, and absolutely dominant. The large signature kidney grille, outlined with gold bronze metallic accents, gives the front end a bold, commanding look that instantly sets it apart. The sleek LED laser headlights carve through the darkness with a sharp, futuristic glow, while the sculpted hood and aerodynamically shaped bumper tell you right away that this car was born to perform. Move to the side and you'll notice the long, elegant silhouette that give the Gran Coupe its name. The roofline flows smoothly into the rear, blending coupe styling with four-door practicality. Gold details continue on the mirror caps and trim pieces, adding an exclusive look you won't find on the standard M8. And of course, the first edition comes with stunning 20-inch M light alloy wheels, also finished in gold bronze, giving the entire car an unmistakable presence. This is the kind of car that makes people stop and stare even before the engine comes to life. Speaking of the engine, the BMW M8 Gran Coupe First Edition packs the legendary 4.4-liter M TwinPower Turbo V8. This beast produces 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, launching the car from 0 to 60 in about 3.0 seconds. That's supercar territory, hidden inside a luxury four-door coupe. The engine is paired with an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission and BMW's M xDrive all-wheel drive system, which helps you keep all that power under control, whether you're launching off the line, taking sharp curves, or cruising effortlessly on the highway. The exhaust note is pure emotion. Switch to Sport Plus and the car roars with an angry, deep growl that sends chills down your spine. It's the kind of sound that makes you want to keep driving just to hear that V8 sing. But when you need refinement, the M8 can go silent and smooth, turning into a luxury cruiser with the push of a button. That dual personality is exactly what makes the M8 so special. Inside, the cabin feels like stepping into an exclusive private lounge. The first edition features BMW's premium merino leather upholstery, with black and gold bronze stitching that matches the exterior theme. The seats are sporty yet incredibly comfortable, giving you support during high-speed driving and long-distance travel. The dashboard features carbon fiber trim, a crystal-style gear selector, and BMW's latest iDrive system with a wide touchscreen display, gesture controls, and a fully digital instrument cluster. Every detail feels crafted with intention. From the ambient lighting to the premium Bowers & Wilkins Diamond Surround sound system, the interior delivers a sensory experience that elevates every drive. And because this is a Gran Coupe, you get 4 doors and enough space for passengers to enjoy the luxury with you, something you won't find in a traditional sports car. Now let's talk price. The BMW M8 Gran Coupe First Edition was produced in limited numbers, and its original price started around $150,000 to $170,000, depending on specific configuration and market. Today, because of its exclusivity, pristine models can reach even higher numbers on the resale market. It's not just a car, it's a collectible. If you're searching for a machine that combines beauty, brutality, craftsmanship, and rarity, the M8 Gran Coupe First Edition checks every box. It's one of BMW's finest creations, and experiencing it in black makes it even more intimidating and elegant. Thanks for watching DreamsCar USA. If you love exclusive, powerful cars like this, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next review. See you in the next video.